SoFi Invest or Vanguard? Which broker is better for US traders and investors? We get this question a lot, so before diving into products, fees, and other key factors, here's our quick take. SoFi Invest is a US fintech investment platform. We recommend them for beginners and investors looking for zero-commission trading, focusing on the US market. Meanwhile, Vanguard is a commission-free US broker by a true index giant. It's a great choice for long-term investors looking for great ETF and mutual fund selection. Before we discuss what you can trade at these brokers, a safety check. Both brokers fully pass BrokerChooser's safety assessment and are registered with the SEC and member of FINRA in the United States. This means that your money is as safe as it gets, and we can move on to compare product range, fees, and services. On the screen, you can see whether SoFi Invest and Vanguard offer some of the most in-demand products among BrokerChooser users. Now let's have a closer look at fees, starting with stocks and ETFs. To make fees comparable, we assumed a purchase of $2,000 worth of US stocks and ETFs. At SoFi Invest, buying stocks is commission-free, while buying ETFs is commission-free. When it comes to Vanguard, buying stocks is commission-free, while buying ETFs is commission-free. Now let's move on to leverage trades. On the screen, you can see if these brokers have competitive margin rates, stock options fees, and index futures fees. Next up is crypto. Well, the bad news is you can't trade crypto at either of these brokers. So we suggest you check out our list of the best crypto brokers via the link in our description. Now, apart from trading fees, you should also consider non-trading fees, especially inactivity and withdrawal fees. These can be tricky, so check out all the details in our written reviews. So now you have the big picture about fees and products, but they're only part of the story. Here are a few more factors to consider before choosing a broker. Two of the most in-demand services among BrokerChooser users are short selling and the availability of fractional shares. On top of these, IRA account availability, a smooth account opening process, as well as the quality of trading platforms can all make or break whether a broker is the right choice for you. So what are the key takeaways? Our methodology is based on manually testing each broker with real money. We collect thousands of data points covering safety, fees, products, services, and many other aspects. This means that the cheaper broker is not always the better choice. When we combine all of these factors, for stock trading, we'd go with SoFi Invest. For options trading, we don't recommend either broker based on our criteria. Instead, see our best options trading platforms list. To pick a broker for futures trading, check out our best futures brokers list for alternatives, as neither of these platforms provide access to futures. As for margin trading, we don't recommend either broker based on our criteria. Instead, see our best margin trading platforms list. Finally, to pick a broker for trading cryptocurrencies, check out our best crypto brokers list for alternatives, as neither of these platforms provide access to crypto trading. Thanks for watching this video. For our full up-to-date reviews of both SoFi Invest and Vanguard, click the links in the description. And if you want more videos that can help you with investing, follow BrokerChooser's YouTube channel. See you next time.